Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and a working network. Start now. First, verify the BIOS clock if the time is grossly incorrect because Windows can inherit that error. Once done, open Control Panel, choose Date and Time, and click Change Date and Time. This gives you direct control. Make sure the time zone is roughly correct before adjusting the clock manually because time zone mismatch will keep shifting values. Now set the date and hour to an approximate correct value to proceed to synchronization. Next, fix the underlying synchronization. You should set the correct time zone and ensure Adjust for Daylight Saving Time is enabled. This prevents recurring offsets. Then switch to the Internet Time tab and pick a reliable NTP server like Time, Windows, COM, or Pool, NTP, org, and click Update Now to force sync. If the update errors, open Services, MSC, and restart the Windows Time service. This often clears stuck sync states. Make sure firewall rules allow NTP traffic, so updates finish by rebooting and confirming the corrected time persists, because transient fixes sometimes revert after restart. If the clock drifts again or resets, inspect the motherboard's CMOS battery. A weak battery commonly causes daily resets and requires replacement. Also compare the PC time with a phone or router to determine whether this is a network synchronization problem versus local hardware failure. If network sync fails system-wide, check router NTP settings. If only this PC fails, focus on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.